This is a look at your extreme weather outlook here on this Monday. We're tracking Dorian in the Atlantic Basin, possibly to become a hurricane as we slide into that midweek time period. This is intensifying just a little bit as it approaches the Caribbean and the Lesser Antilles here, so we'll keep you up to date on that. Storms and flooding will certainly be a possibility over the next 2 to 3 days in the central U.S. We're also looking at some excessive heat. I do believe, though, as we slide into the end of the month, we're going to have definitely a cooler air mass sliding into the central U.S. But there's a look at Tropical Storm Dorian in the track northwest towards the Caribbean here in the Lesser Antilles. We're also watching this wave. High probability of formation over a 5-day period. This is the track on Dorian. Potentially a Category 1 hurricane by Thursday, just prior to landfall with Hispaniola. But then we're getting indications of a pretty dry air mass northwest of that, so a quick diminishment of that particular wave of energy. Meanwhile, it's very hot in the southern U.S. Dallas up to 102 today for an actual air temperature, 108 in Phoenix, and then some triple-digit heat in Northern California in the Central Valley. This is where we have a number of excessive heat advisories and warnings. Again, dangerous levels of heat even stretching all the way up into the Willamette Valley. But Phoenix, you're under an excessive heat watch. Also looking at some excessive heat in the southern U.S. Feels like temps here will be well into the triple digits, even as high as 110 or 115. But then there is that cooler air mass sliding into the upper Mississippi Valley. Meanwhile, early September looks pretty hot over the western U.S. Today we're watching thunderstorm activity in the central U.S. It's an enhanced risk near, the central U.S. today from Kansas City to west of St. Louis and then down into Oklahoma. Also have a marginal threat in the upper Mississippi Valley. Best tornado threat near Kansas City, Missouri today. Damaging winds and even some large hail, but we're going to get some very heavy rain associated with some of these thunderstorms as well.